Today we're making the ultimate restaurant-style samosa chaat. Crispy samosas, spicy chole, creamy yogurt, tangy chutneys, and crunchy toppings in every delicious bite. Let's make some samosas. To make the samosa dough, you'll need all-purpose flour, ajwain, salt, oil, and water. Mix the flour, salt, ajwain, and oil until crumbly. Gradually add water and knead into a firm dough. Cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes. For the filling, gather boiled potatoes, green peas, ginger, green chilies, coriander, and aromatic Indian spices. Heat oil, add cumin seeds, then saute the ginger, add the peas, spices, and mashed potatoes. Mix well and finish with fresh coriander.
Once the dough has rested, divide it into equal portions and roll each one into a thin oval.
Cut the oval in half, shape it into a cone, fill it generously with the potato mixture, and seal the edges tightly with water.
Let's fry them. Fry the samosas on low to medium heat. They will turn beautifully golden brown and perfectly crisp.
Now let's prepare the flavorful chole using soaked chickpeas, onions, tomatoes, ginger garlic paste, and traditional Indian spices.
Transfer the chickpeas to a pressure cooker. Add fresh water and a little salt. Pressure cook until the chickpeas are soft and tender.
The chickpeas should mash easily when pressed between your fingers. Drain them if needed and keep them aside.
Heat oil in a pan, add cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add finely chopped onions and saute until golden. Stir in ginger garlic paste and cook until the raw smell disappears.
Add chopped tomatoes along with turmeric, red chili powder, add coriander powder, cumin powder, and chaat masala. Cook until the tomatoes become soft and the oil separates. Add the cooked chickpeas and mix well, so they're coated with the masala. Pour in a little water and let everything simmer. Finish with freshly chopped coriander leaves. Your flavorful chickpea topping for samosa chaat is now ready. Next, let's prepare a fresh green chutney using coriander, mint, green chilies, ginger, and garlic. Lemon juice, salt, and a little water. Blend everything until smooth and vibrant. This refreshing chutney adds a burst of fresh flavor to every bite. Now it's time to make the sweet and tangy tamarind chutney with tamarind, jaggery, sugar, roasted cumin, black salt, red chili powder, and water. Cook the mixture until slightly thick. Then strain it to create a smooth, rich, and flavorful chutney. Whisk the yogurt until creamy, then keep the chopped onions, fresh coriander, crispy pomegranate seeds ready for assembling.
Let's get these ready. Place 2 hot and crispy samosas on a serving plate and gently crush them into large bite-sized pieces.
Now let us add the flavorful chole. Pour a generous layer of hot, flavorful chole over the crispy samosas. Allow the gravy to soak into every bite. First, add creamy yogurt, then drizzle fresh green chutney and sweet tamarind chutney for the perfect balance of flavors. Let's finish our delicious dish. Finish with chopped onions, chaat masala, roasted cumin powder, red chili powder, crispy save, fresh coriander, and juicy pomegranate seeds. Your restaurant-style samosa chaat is now ready. Crispy, spicy, tangy, creamy, and packed with incredible flavors in every bite. Serve immediately and enjoy. Loved this restaurant-style samosa chaat? Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.